good morning. Okay, it's time for circle time. So we're going to start with our calendar. Now the name of our month is April. Say April. And now let's sing this days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, and now let's count and count along with me. 1, 2, 3. So today is Friday, April 3rd, or Friday, April 3. Okay, so now let's do the days of the week up here. So, yesterday was Thursday, today is Friday, and tomorrow will be Saturday. So Friday is the last day of the school week, and tomorrow is the first day of the weekend. Now let's go check the weather. We'll go outside. Okay, so now we're outside, and let's look at our sky. I see some blue sky and some big white clouds, but to me, this is mostly cloudy. So I'm going to say it's cloudy today. And it's not hot, and it's not cold, but right now it's not all that warm either. So I'm going to say it's cloudy and cool. Let's go inside and put it on the chart. Okay, so here it is, our weather chart. The season is spring, and the weather we said was cloudy and cool. Now let's talk about our color for April. Our teddy bear is wearing a yellow raincoat. He's carrying a yellow and white umbrella. He has a yellow fish on the handle of his umbrella, and he's wearing yellow rain boots. And then our shape is an oval. Jelly beans are oval, and eggs are oval. Okay, now we're going to read our story for today. And it's Waiting for Wings by Lois Elher. Waiting for Wings, Lois Elher. Out in the fields, eggs are hidden from view, clinging to leaves with butterfly glue. These are all the little eggs. Little tiny yellow eggs on the green leaf. Soon, caterpillars hatch. They creep and chew. So there's the caterpillar, and see he's taking bites out of the leaf. Each one knows what it must do. There's another caterpillar eating out of this leaf, and that's a caterpillar as well, and he's taking bites out of that leaf. And look, there's one down here, and he's taking bites out of this leaf. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 caterpillars. Find a place where winds don't blow. Then make a case in which to grow. There's their little case that they're in. And here's one, and here's one, and here's one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cocoons. Caterpillar's changes now begin. Body and wings take shape within. When it's time, each case is torn. So you can see they're starting to tear through their little case. Wings unfold. New butterflies are born. How beautiful. They pump their wings, get ready to fly. Then hungry butterflies head for the sky, looking for flowers with nectar to eat. They catch a whiff of something sweet. They follow that fragrant scent of perfume until they find our garden in bloom. We've been waiting for wings. we watch them circle, land on their feet, unroll their tongues, and begin to eat. See, there's his tongue sticking into the center of the flower. And they're eating the nectar. Oh, there's another one right there. There's its tongue. They dip and sip. They fly away back home to the fields. They have eggs to lay. And then this is all about how to identify butterflies. And so it talks about the different kinds. There's a buckeye. This is called a painted lady. This is a monarch. We have monarchs here. This is a tiger swallowtail. And then it even shows you what the caterpillar looks like. This caterpillar is called the painted lady, and then that's the butterfly. The buckeye looks like this when he's a caterpillar, and then he's a beautiful butterfly. And then there's the monarch caterpillar, and that's his butterfly. And this is a tiger swallowtail caterpillar. And then here's what the butterfly looks like. And then their houses that they build, and Miss Renee referred to them as a cocoon. They're actually called a chrysalis. And then that's where they're sleeping before they come out as a butterfly. And then look at all the beautiful flowers. This is the flowers that different butterflies like to eat when they're flying around. And then you could even find out how to grow a butterfly garden. And that's the end. And again, the name of the book is Waiting for Wings by Lois Elher, and it has a ton of information about butterflies. So if you can, try and check this book out. Okay, now we're gonna go do art. Okay, so now we're going to do our butterfly art. So everyone should have a butterfly cut out of a paper plate. And how we're going to decorate today's butterfly is we're gonna do marble painting. And if you don't have marbles at home, you can use golf balls or anything round, even like rubber balls and stuff, the little bouncy ones. But I have marbles, so I'm gonna use the marbles. And I'm gonna place my butterfly inside. I'm just using the box of the top of a shoebox, so the lid. And then I have my paint. I'm gonna put one in the pink. And then I'm gonna drop it in. Whoops, that was gonna happen. And I'm gonna roll it around. Okay, so there's the pink one. And now I'll drop one in the green paint. And I'll drop it in my box. And same thing, roll it around. You don't want to get too crazy because the marble will jump out of the box. So just try and keep it and just keep tilting it, tilting it. There we go. And now I'll take that one out, the green one. And the last marble I have is this orange. And put it in here. And drop it out. And same thing, back and forth. And then I'll take that marble out of the box. And here is our beautiful butterfly. And then after the paint dries, if you want, you can add eyes and then antenna or anything you want. We also like to punch a hole in them, and then you can hang them from string anywhere in your house you want or in your window. And this is just your beautiful paper plate butterfly. Thank you for watching. Okay, so now today's science. we're going to be making a volcano out of a lemon. If you watched Miss Sarah earlier today, she made a volcano as well, but we're going to use a lemon for ours. So have mommy or daddy cut off just a little bit off the end so that it'll stand up. And then you're going to cut a little off the top, cut a little more, because this is going to be your volcano. So you can use a popsicle stick if you have some at home, or a spoon, but we're kind of gonna mush this up a little bit to make room for our stuff. And also put it inside, I just have it inside of a pie tin, put it inside of some kind of container so for when we make the lava, it spills out and it doesn't make a big mess on your counters. Okay, so there's my lemon. And then we're going to use baking soda. And so I already put some in a cup, and we're going to use vinegar. And then remember, Miss Sarah said the vinegar and the baking soda work together, and they form a reaction, and the reaction is what's going to make it bubble up out of the top of the lemon. Okay, and then now I'm going to add some food coloring to my vinegar. I'm going to add some red, so it'll look more like lava. And then the reason I have an extra lemon is I'm going to squeeze more on there if it's not reacting the way I want it to. So let's see. So first I'm going to add half a teaspoon of the baking soda. It's already bubbling. And I'm going to mix this up together, and then I'm going to pour the vinegar, and there's the lava. And then if you want, you can add one more baking soda, and then the vinegar. And you can just do it over and over again as many times as you want to get it to continue to react like that. Have the lava boil up and spill over the sides. And like I said, and then if this lemon gets dry, you can just use some lemon, squeeze that on the top, add your baking soda and your food color and your vinegar, and you can create volcanoes over and over again. Thank you so much for watching the science today. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.